3 out of 3. Right, so let's pop in. Right, it's a bit of a mess because we're just leaving in a minute. Let's put the card and get some lights on. Hang on, right. Right, small room. This is a twin room with a sea view apparently. You can all the mess we're off in a minute. Bathroom, lovely big shower. But a few people have moaned about lack of stock, like shelving. There's plenty of room for shelving. Also out here shelving, if you're going to be picky, that mirror could be moved up to the right, and there could be another one of these units here because you've got nowhere to put your cases really. Twin bed, wardrobe, shelving, safe and shelves there. Bedside cabinet, lights, one socket there. So what you want, one of these. Plugged in. I'll put a link below to the ports that I use, USB ports. Light there, bit wonky, that needs sorting out. TV, little bin or something to put your case, but you could do another one of these really to put your case on. You've got a bit of space there. Fridge in here. And bedside cabinet. As I say, ignore the mess. Outside here. Table and 2 chairs. And that's a view. See there in the distance and one of the pools. And the restaurant, top restaurant there, bottom restaurant around the corner. Overall, not a bad little place. Right, shut the door, leave this mess for the maze. For the next lot of people. Room 23203 that is. 3rd floor up. Thank you for watching, quick tour of the room, basic twin room. I'll put the link below in the description if you need any more info. Feel free to ask me some questions. Thank you very much and cheerio, bye bye.